Welcome to TOLA, Tenant Owner Landlord Association.
Hi, I'm Ayat, and welcome to the auction workshop tonight, presented by BISC, Buffalo Information Sharing Collective. Like and subscribe on Facebook. Thank you for coming. We have a great program for you tonight. First up, surplus funds, or how to get any monies owed to you back after you lose your home from the auction. Additionally, we have banks and credit unions in the audience. They're going to talk to you briefly about obtaining a line of credit, mortgage, or saving your home, and or the ability to purchase a home. Lastly, for those who may be losing their home, help is out there.
We're going to Google surplus funds action. This will take you to the Erie County website. In the top left corner, we can search by property. I'm going to click on surplus funds overview. Has some basic questions and answers. It says when you lose your property and when the funds will be available. We're going to scroll down. There's some basic information about hiring an attorney or doing it yourself. We're going to scroll down. There's a 2% charge, minimum fees of $250 to $1,500 or more. We're going to go to the next page with additional Q&A questions. How long does it take to get the surplus funds? 2 months or longer. Are there a list of attorneys I can choose from? Neighborhood Legal Services, 847-60650, or Bar Associates of Erie County, 852-3100. If a bank loan or the surplus funds action aren't for you, contact us at Red Door Real Estate so we can help you sell your home before you lose it. We can also help you get into an apartment to keep your life moving.